How to uninstall Microsoft Store from Windows. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you a quick and easy way to uninstall Microsoft Store on Windows. So if you don't want Microsoft Store anymore on your Windows laptop or PC, then there is no easy way to uninstall it directly from your PC. However, there are some workarounds that you can do. So many people, what they do is go to registry editor and adjust the dword 32-bit value to just hide Microsoft and not completely uninstall it. But if you want to uninstall your Microsoft Word completely, then you need to go ahead and paste this command right here to uninstall it and completely remove it from your PC on your PowerShell terminal. So just go ahead and type in PowerShell and make sure to run this as administrator. Tap in yes and go ahead and paste the command right here. Hit enter and you should be able to uh, get your Microsoft Word removed from your device. The second one is actually to reinstall. So let me just quickly go back here and paste the first command. This one is to remove Microsoft Store. And if you want to get it back, you can type in this command right here. Copy this. You can just pause the video and find the commands here. And from here, go ahead and paste the command, just like so, to get it back. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.